Hello there, welcome to Dave Tech YouTube channel. In this channel, I talk about smart TVs, electronics, and how to use them effectively. I also share how to download applications, games, APKs on your Samsung Smart TV or Android TV. So in this particular case, I'll be showing you how to download the PacRat game on your Samsung Smart TV. It is very easy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find the video helpful. So if you have a Samsung Smart TV like mine, or it has a different operating system like mine, the process is pretty much the same. What you have to do at first is connect to the internet. By connecting to the internet, you're going to try and locate your app store. And in my case, here's my app store. So I'll just go ahead and launch it. When I come back to my app store, there are two ways to get the application. The first way is by browsing my app store. So I just have to go back to apps here and I come down to games and I try to scroll through to see if I can locate the application, which here is it, PacRat. Now, if by browsing you don't see the application, here's the shortest way to search. Just come over to your search box here and type in the application you're looking for. In this case, is the PacRat game. So just go ahead and type in PacRat. This is a very beautiful game for those of you who love games like me. It's very nice to play on your Samsung Smart TV or any smart TV. Alright. So you just go ahead and type in PacRat or PacRat, whatever you call it, and you click on search. Once you click on search, the application is going to pop up and you can go ahead and just click on download. The application will download it straight away to your Samsung Smart TV. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.